Hi, so welcome back. In this video, we'll explore how to use conditional formatting to highlight important data in Excel. This feature helps your spreadsheet speak visually and is a very good way you can speak to your user and show him what exactly is important in a table. So here's again a table with product category and price. So let's highlight values over 100 using conditional formatting. For this, you need to select the price column, going to Home tab, click Conditional Formatting, and here you have Highlight Cells Rules. Greater than. When the greater than pop-up window, you have 100. So format cells that are greater than 100. And here you need to pick a color or make a custom format. Let's say that we want to have them in green. We'll click OK. Now we have again OK. And here you see that all the cells with the value greater than 100 are now on green. Now you can also add some data bars to visualize the values. So go to conditional formatting. I have data bars and I will pick a sample. Sorry, I forgot to select the values. So data bars, and here you see again, I will manage the rules and I will erase the initial formula. So delete, apply, OK. And now I have only the data bars style, which is great for comparisons. Now let's go deeper and we'll create a custom rule using a formula. For this, I will select the whole table, going again to conditional formatting, new rule, and in this new formatting rule window, I want to use a formula to determine which cells to format. And in the format values, I will write equal $sign B2. Let's say that we want all the rows with category equal with electronics to be blue. We will color in blue. So for this, I will write B2 equal electronics. I will format with blue color. I will hit OK. Now we need to go on manage roles. I will double check here the format. So it's B3 format OK. And here I will select from A2. Apply. Again, we'll change from B to electronics. Apply. So now we're good. I will freeze basically the column. That's why we put the $sign on B column. And now the rows containing electronics in category become blue. As you see here, you can manage the rules, and you can play with many rules in this conditional formatting rules manager. So it's easy to erase or insert new rule anytime you want.